Do you have a wound in your body that is refusing to heal? I have the solution. I'm a native doctor, and there are things that we use to heal wounds. This is a mixture of 4 herbs. If you apply this, most wounds will be gone in 24 hours. Maximum 72 hours. The wound, you can see healing. If your wound is like the strongest, under 2 weeks. And not just for outer wounds, but internal too. All right? If you chat me up, I'll tell you what is inside. You discuss with your doctor, then you can take it. But most of them are used for cooking. They are all edible. All. No chemicals or preservatives. But first of all, let's look at what can cause a wound not to heal. So before I even tell you, I just want to remind you that if you're chatting me up, I don't tell for free. I will charge you, but I will tell you what will solve your problem. All right? You know what I mean by internal wound? I don't want to call the word, but if they tell you there's a wound in your stomach or any of your intestinal tract all till your exit, or from your mouth all till your exit, if there's a wound there, just taking this 1 spoon a day for 3 days to 1 week. Total healing. So there are many reasons why a wound might not heal. Infection. Okay. Now you need to know that healing the wound is just like topical, treating the surface. The real thing causing the wound still need to be addressed. For instance, in case of infection, like the one that they call achere, there was a time I did video here. It healed many people. I got so many testimonies in my inbox telling me that they went to the pharmacist and asked for what I told them. The pharmacist administered the treatment and they were healed. Some went to their doctors because I exposed that wound, that particular type of wound is caused by infection. The moment they used antibiotics, the wound was gone. But you need to know that the antibiotics is going to take out the infection, but the healing of the wound still has to happen. You still need to apply something to heal. Otherwise, your body will attempt to heal by itself, and then you have like scars there. This thing, if you apply it every day for 6 months, even all the scars will be gone. If you have scars in your body, don't go. So poor circulation. Some people, due to some medical reasons, they have poor circulation. Okay, difficult for the body to send blood to the wound, which prevents it from getting the nutrients and oxygen it needs to heal. Poor nutrition, okay? Wounds need protein, energy, and other nutrients to heal. This has it. Medications, okay? Some medication may even thin your blood and prevent your wound from healing. Edema and repetitive. Edema is when your leg is swelling, all right? Usually, it kind of signifies that you have heart problem or kidney issues. And repetitive trauma, you keep injuring yourself at the same place, and so on. So like I said, there is the one of diabetes. So diabetic patients have a slower movement of white blood cells than the average person. This means that there is less of an immune response, which leaves wounds to be more inflamed. This, combined with numbness from neuropathy, can lead to wound getting worse. So before you cut off your leg, it doesn't hurt to try out something on the surface to start with. And of course, if your blood sugar is high, there are herbs that we use to bring it down. Once I give you the list, you discuss with your doctor before you start taking it. You can pick it at your local market. These things are available, and some of them are used for cooking already. You just don't know that this thing is, the reason our ancestors introduced this in this food is for healing. That you're supposed to, when you have wound, you're supposed to increase the quantity. You don't just know. It's only when I tell you. And everything I tell you is verifiable. I know they do juju. What I do is actual herbs. All right? But it's not free. Any wound, anybody, some people cannot sit down again because their nyash is leaking. They have gone to inject rubbish inside their nyash. Some people is a diabetes that's open. All of a sudden, wound that's opened in the leg. And they are treating, doing all sorts of medications. Is not going, a lie. So let me know what you think, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Inbox me personally if you need the full list. And of course, if you can't find it in your local markets, I have some contacts I can send to you, people that sell it within Nigeria. You can pick it. If you're abroad, I can send you a link to buy it online. They will ship it to you. They have all these herbs in the US and China, so they can ship it to you to land in your house anywhere in the world. You mix it, like I said, and you take it. Make sure you discuss with your doctor, but they are not bad. Like I said, they are all edible. Now, this does not just work for wound healing. If you have some sort of skin infections that is not going, no matter what you take, the skin is having some either things popping up or some sort of rashes or injuries like eczema is not going. You just apply. After 72 hours of applying it, you will see big difference. All right, that will encourage you to even drag it out up to 2 weeks if it has not even gone completely. Most of the time people have applied this, just apply it on the skin. There's oil, so it's oily. Just apply it on the skin. Go to bed. By the time you wake up in the morning, big difference. Work so fast, you know. But like I said, you should always also look at the root cause. All right, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Please share this. Somebody might need it in your WhatsApp or your Facebook or your Twitter. Somebody really needs it. Some people are suffering right now with unhealable wounds. They are healable. Your body knows how to heal itself. You just need to provide it what it needs to heal.